This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
Okay, so we have a few questions from the Peanut Gallery here, and one guy, actually I thought it said Mazda. Oh my god, how serendipitous. Mada's Petrolhead says, how long does it take to ceramic coat an entire car?
Well, the ceramic coat part is easy.
Right.
It's the prep.
Getting to that part, yeah. It's
like
always the prep.
I wanted to do more to your Lambo. I wanted to bring it up here and do surgery on the thing, but to actually ceramic coat it, an hour.
Mm-hmm. But okay, so let's say like the process to ceramic coat, because that takes prep work to get there.
Yeah, I mean, I'm on average to ceramic coat about 16 hours.
16 hours.
Yeah.
So basically 2 full working days. If somebody were to do it, call it 3 days. 3 days of like
3 days
good
is
work.
the best way to do it, because let's say you have normal schedule 9 to 5 during the week.
Right.
Friday, I decon it. So that's where we strip wash it, we clay bar it, we iron remove it. We iron remove it, then clay bar it, and then dry it. And that way it can dry overnight. And then the next Saturday morning, I'd tape it.
Right.
Because it sucks taping. No matter how much you blow out all the cracks and crevices, there's always water, falling.
Yeah, there's always something that gets
So then you
there,
tape the trim, then you polish, and then you have to figure out, do I have to do 2 steps of polishing? Now you're 30 hours in.
Yeah, you got to figure out the combo of the
so you do a test spot and figure out
all the test spots.
What I had always done is just grab a polisher and just go, and whatever happened. It's only in the last 5 or 6 years that I've become more sophisticated through training, where I'm doing test spots and seeing what if I add some water as a supplemental, wetting agent, doing all kinds of crap, using lights and depth gauges and gloss meters and all this other crap. But you let's say you're doing a single step polish, then you're at least 5 or 6 hours, and then you're going to wipe the polish like we did. We remove the polish oils and then you coat it.
Okay.
So you could a Friday and then a full day Saturday.
Okay.
Or a Friday, full day Saturday, and let's say you're going to do 2 coats of the coating depending on what it is, and then you let it cure overnight, put the second coat on Sunday morning, and you're done.
Okay, so basically a weekend, like a long weekend, but you're going to have to concentrate and make sure that the prep work is all there.
If you're going to do wheels and tires and all that crap, then, now the wheels and tires are going to add another 5 or 6 hours to the work.
So you can do, I've seen a lot of people tell me to do my wheels, but also the calipers. Can you do the calipers?
Yeah, it's paint. Or powder coat, one or the other, but yeah.
But wouldn't the heat have some effect on that? Because they get mighty hot.
I guess, but they do make some higher temp stuff designed for your wheels. G-on rim, Kamikaze stance, G-Technic C5. There's all kinds of wheel specific. But
these all sound like body kits from 1999.
They're just
Kamikaze stance on my Ford Probe GT.
Use that new C West on my calipers.
It probably costs a little more than the wheels cost.
Right, yeah.
So it might not be worth it.
Yeah, probably not.
But yeah, you can treat your wheels. They're either clear coated or they're powder coated, which you treat like the rest of the paint on your car.